Currywurst spicy German bratwurst. Ingredients: 1 pound bratwurst. Oil for frying. 15 ounces ketchup. 1 tablespoon white sugar. 2 tablespoons chili sauce optional. 1 teaspoon black pepper. Half teaspoon onion salt. 1 pinch paprika. Tablespoon curry to taste. Directions: heat vegetable oil in a skillet and cook sausages until brown outside and heated through, turning periodically. Pour ketchup into a small saucepan and add sugar, chili sauce, pepper, onion salt, paprika and curry. Remove sausages from heat once fully cooked and slice into 1/4-1/2 inch thick pieces. Place on a plate and spoon sauce over top. Garnish with additional paprika, if desired, and curry.